This pen is not a regular pen. This pen can be used to escape in dangerous situations. It doesn't rust, and the tip can break a car window, holding like that and break. Okay, so how to use it properly? Stand like that, your back is straight, chin up, be full of confidence. One hand protecting your face, the other one holding the pen. Tightly, very strong. If you need to use it, stab like that. One more time. One. The heat coming from this area. Like that. You should aim to the throat. It's a great place to hit someone and run away. You're holding it powerful. With your hands, with your position. Back straight, chin up. You're full of confidence. You're telling yourself that you can do it, that you are amazing. A lot of women tell that if something will happen to them, they will freeze. So before you freeze, think of protecting someone that you love. What you're gonna do if your child will be attacked? Oh, the lioness will be up again. You need to tell yourself, I am strong, I am powerful, I got the power and I know how to use it. I'm powerful, I can do this.